Step into a dynamic learning experience where teams face exciting challenges to mine gold, master collaboration, and achieve extraordinary results. Gold of the Desert Kings, Eagles Flight's high-energy hands-on experiential learning program. Dive into an unforgettable adventure that tests your team's productivity, efficiency, and collaboration in the race for gold. In this immersive simulation, teams are tasked with mining as much gold as possible. With limited time and resources, you'll need to navigate unpredictable challenges like sandstorms and scorching heat. Will your team rise to the challenge and strike gold? But this is more than just an adventure. It's a journey of self-discovery and performance improvement. Through this program, you'll unlock the power of collaboration, develop a growth mindset to overcome shifting challenges, hone decision-making and strategic thinking skills, learn to maximize results by balancing individual and team priorities. Gold of the Desert Kings teaches you to collaborate effectively and create psychological safety within teams, adapt quickly with a growth mindset to navigate roadblocks, make decisions with confidence and precision, think strategically and execute tactically to achieve goals, maximize outcomes by balancing what can be controlled. Designed for all team members, this program is perfect for corporate events or training sessions. Duration, half-day. Scale, up to 5,000 participants. Flexibility, contextualized delivery. Impact, post-course reinforcement ensures lasting results. Gold of the Desert Kings. Unleash potential, maximize performance, strike gold. Are you ready to push your limits, discover new opportunities, and unlock your true potential?